Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to discuss Balaji Amines Q3 Financial 2021 consolidated results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. Balaji business related to specialty chemicals. So this business is not related to seasons. So we'll give importance for year on year results and quarter on quarter results. Here amount in lakhs. Year on year results means we'll compare December 2020 results with December 2019 results. Quarter on quarter results means we'll compare September 2020 results with December 2020 results. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year they got 227 crores. This year 392 crores. That means approximately 165 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here revenue was increased 72% year on year. This is very good figure. Later other income. It was decreased from 58 lakhs to 51 lakhs. We'll ignore this one. Later expenses. First one is cost of material consumed. Previous year 111 crores. This year 162 crores. That means here 51 crores was increased. If you check it in percentage, that is 45% increase. Here revenue from operations increased 72%, but cost of material consumed increased only 45%. That means Balaji Amines increased their product prices. That is positive sign. Later changes in inventories. Previous year 10 crores, this year 24 crores. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 14 crores, this year 19 crores. Here 5 crores was increased. We need to check this employee benefit expenses increased due to management salary or employee salary. Later depreciation. Previous year 7.9 crores, this year 8.7 crores. We'll ignore this one. Later finance cost. It was decreased from 6.3 crores to 4.8 crores. Here interest was decreased. That means the debt also decreased. That is positive side. Other expenses. Previous year 48 crores, this year 69 crores. Here the revenue was increased. Due to that one, other expenses also increased. What we observed from revenue from operations and expenses. Here revenue from operations increased 72% year on year, but cost of material consumed increases only 45%. That means they increase their end product prices. That is positive sign. Later employee benefit expenses increased 5 crores. We need to check that is due to management salary or employee salary. Finance cost is decreased, that is positive side. Later, profit before tax. It was increased from 29 crores to 104 crores. Here, 73 crores was increased. We need to check percentage. Here, profit before tax, 258% year on year increased. This is excellent figure. Later, tax expense. Current tax. Previous year they spent 10 crores. This year 24 crores. Revenue was increased. Due to that one, they paid high current tax. Later deferred tax. Previous year 1.8 crores credited. This year 3 crores paid. And here we have one more point. Adjustment of earlier year tax provisions. That is 1.7 crores credited. Totally how much tax they paid means last year they paid 8.4 crores. This year 25.4 crores. Later net profit for the period. Previous year they got 20 crores. This year 78 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 281% year on year profit after tax was increased. This is excellent figure. Later paid up equity share capital. Previous year 6.48 crores. This year also 6.48 crores. That means they did not dilute the equity. That is positive side. Later earning per share. Yet basic. Previous year 7 rupees 22 pice. This year 23 rupees 14 pice. This is very good figure. This is positive sign. Now we'll check quarter on quarter. In September quarter they got 282 crores. This year 392 crores. That means 110 crores revenue from operations was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 38.8% quarter on quarter increased. This is very good figure. Later profit before tax. It was increased from 59 crores to 104 crores. That means here approximately 45 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. A 74.7% is quarter on quarter increase. This is good figure. Let a net profit for the period. Previous quarter 44 crores, this quarter 78 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 78.5% is quarter on quarter increase. This is good figure. This is positive side. What we observed based on year on year results and quarter on quarter results. Here year on year revenue was increased 72%. Profit before tax is 258% and profit after tax is 281%. This is excellent figures. And quarter on quarter revenue was 38.8% increase. Profit before tax is 74.7% and profit after tax is 78.5%. These are excellent figures. That means Balaji Amines got excellent results quarter on quarter and year on year. We'll check few more points. Here consolidated segment results is there. So Balaji Amines contains three types of businesses. One is amines and specialty chemicals. Another one is hotel division. Third one is CFL Labs. Here these three businesses are unrelated businesses. So this is one negative side. We'll check the results from segment wise. Here amines and specialty chemicals. Previous year 232 crores. This year 419 crores. That means approximately 210 crores was increased. Later hotel division. Previous year 4.9 crores. This year 2.7 crores. Here hotel division revenues are decreased. Third one is CFL Labs. Previous year 0.06 lakhs. This year 18 lakhs. Here CFL Labs revenue was increased. If you see this one, their main business is amines and specialty chemicals, and hotels division and CFL Labs business is minor. If you see segment results before tax, amines and specialty chemicals, previous year they got 36 crores, this year 118 crores. So this is very good figure. Later hotel division, previous year 32 lakhs loss, this year 60 lakhs loss. This is negative sign. CFL Labs, previous year 38 lakhs loss, this year 8 crores 48 lakhs loss. What we observed from this one? So they are getting good profits from amines and specialty chemicals, but they are getting losses from hotel division and CFL Labs. If they don't have hotel division and CFL Labs business, then they will get more profits. This is one negative sign. Later, expansion plans. Here, all our capital expenditure plans are on track. As part of phase 1 of Greenfield project, we are likely to commence manufacturing of ethyl amines by end of financial 21. This is positive sign. We plan to commence the manufacturing of dimethyl carbonate by the end of quarter 2 financial 2022. Here they are expanding manufacturing products. Due to this one, they will get more revenues in the future. This is positive sign. Now we'll see valuation of Balaji Amines. PE before results is 30.8. PE after results is 22.2. Here PE was reduced 9 points approximately. This is positive sign. Pros are excellent year on year and quarter on quarter results. Undervalued based on previous year PE. That means previous year 30.8. This year 22.2. This is good sign. And also they are decreasing debt. Cons are overvalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 13. Current PE is 22. Based on 3 years median PE, current PE is overvalued. But currently Balaji Amines are expanding their manufacturing products. Due to that one, their revenues will increase in the future. So currently Balaji Amines valuation is neutral. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.